Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss about Unit 6 Worksheet 4. Now we solve question number 1. Subtract 3.8 minus 2.6. First, arrange the digit in the place value column. Then the decimal point should come one below the other in the column. Then we subtract it. 8 minus 6 equal 2. Then decimal point should 1 come below the other column. Then 3 minus 2 equal 1.2. Then next 143.289. Then 68.114. Then we subtract it. 6 minus 2 equal 4. 8 minus 6 equal 2. Then decimal point should come one below the other column in column. Then 8 minus 6 equal 2. Then 9 minus 2 equal 7. 72.24. Then C. 143.29 minus 68.114. Then we subtract it. 9 minus 4 equal 5. 8 minus 1 7. 2 minus 1 3. 2 minus 1 1. Then 3 minus 8 we cannot subtract 2 and borrow. 13 minus 8 equal 5. Then 3. 3 minus 6 we cannot subtract 2 and borrow. 13 minus 6 equal 7. 75.175. Then next 36.81 minus 23.73. 1 minus 3 you cannot subtract it, so you want to borrow. Then 11 minus 3 equal 8. Then 7 minus 7 equal 0. Then we put decimal. Then 6 minus 3 equal 3. 3 minus 2 equal 1. 13.08. Then 8 minus 3 equal 5. 8 minus 1 7. 2 minus 1 1. Then you put decimal. Then 3 minus 8 you cannot subtract it, we want to borrow. 13 minus 8 equal 5. Then 4 minus 6 we cannot subtract it, we want to borrow. 14 minus 6 equal 8. 85.175. Then next 300.007 minus 125.235. Then we subtract this number. 7 minus 5 equal 2. 0 minus 3 you cannot subtract it, so we want to borrow. This place is also 0, so we cannot from behind place. Then 2 10. And 10 minus 3 equal 7. Then 9 minus 2 7. Then 9 minus 5 4. 9 minus 2 equal 7. 2 minus 1 1. And use decimal place. So answer is 170.4 equal 7. 10 minus 3 equal 7772. Now we solve question number 2. Arrange in column and subtract. First, arrange digit in the place value column. 6.3 from 9.5. So first we arrange 9.5 minus 6.3. Then subtract, subtrahend and minuend. 5 minus 3 equal 2. Then we put decimal. 9 minus 6 equal 3. 3.2. Then next 71.86 from 95.97. So first we write 95.97 minus 71.86. Then we subtract this. 7 minus 6 1. 9 minus 8 1. Then we put decimal. Then 5 minus 1 4. 9 minus 7 2. 24.11. Then next 315.28 from 486.195. So first arrange the digit in the place value column. So largest number is 486.195 minus 315.28. Then you convert it like term. So equal 1 0. Then 5 minus 0 5. 9 minus 8 1. 1 minus 2 you cannot subtract it, you can borrow. Then 11 minus 2 equal 9. Then you put point. Then 5 minus 5 0. 8 minus 1 7. 4 minus 3 1. 170.915. Then next D. 19.378 from 26.4. First I write largest number 26.4. Then 19.378. Then you convert like term. So we put 2 0. 0 minus 8 you cannot subtract it. We want to borrow. Then 10 minus 8 equal 2. 9 minus 7 equal 2. 3 minus 3 0. Then we put decimal. 6 minus 9 we cannot subtract it. So we want to borrow. 16 minus 9 equal 7. 1 minus 1 0. Then 7.022. Then next is 45.6 from 55.352. So first I write 55.352 minus 45.6. Then we convert like terms. So 2 minus 0 2, 5 minus 0 5, 3 minus 6 we cannot subtract it, so we want to borrow. And 13 minus 6 equals 7. 4 minus 5 we cannot subtract it, so 14 minus 5 equals 9. 4 minus 4 0. 9.752. Then next F. 22.05 from 319.019. So first I write 319.019. Then 22.05. Then we convert like term, so we put 1 0. 9 minus 0 9. 1 minus 5 we cannot subtract, we want to borrow. Then 11 minus 5 equals 6. Then 9 minus 0 9. Then you put decimal. Then 8 minus 2 6. Then 1 minus 9 we cannot subtract, we want to borrow. Then 11 minus 2 9. Then 2. 296.969. Then another point G. 71.084 from 90.04. First I write 90.04. Then 71.084. 084. We put like terms, so we convert like terms, so we put 1 0. Then we subtract it. 0 minus 4 you cannot subtract it, we want to borrow. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Then 3 minus 8 we cannot subtract it, so we want to borrow. (13 minus 8 equals 5. 9 minus 0 9. Then you put decimal. Then 9 minus 1 8. 8 minus 7 1. Then next H. 174.5 from 200.17. First I write 200.17 minus 174.5. We convert like terms, so we put 1 0. Then we subtract it. 7 minus 0 7. 1 minus 5 we cannot subtract, we do not borrow. (11 minus 5 6. Then 9 minus 4 5. 9 minus 7 2. 25.67. Now we solve worksheet 5. Worksheet 5. Question number 1. Complete the 2.65 minus 0 equal dash. When you subtract 0 from a decimal number, we get the decimal number itself. So 2.65 minus 0 equal 2.65. Then next 29.38 minus dash equal 29.38. If we subtract 0 from a decimal number, we get the number itself. So 29 minus 38 minus 0. So answer is 0. Then 11 minus 8 equal 11.8. 11 minus 8 0. 11.8 minus 0 equal 11.8. Then another 19.5 minus dash minus 0 equal dash. When you subtract 0 from decimal number, we get the decimal number itself. So you get 19.5. Then 413.5 dash equal minus dash equal 413.5 0. Then 25.593 minus dash equal 0. 25.593. Thank you.